What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, Kelly Builds. It's been a couple days since I filmed. I was filming like every day, but it's been, I don't even know, over 90 degrees with 1,000,000% humidity. So I just kind of took a little break. I have to remind myself, this is just a project. It's not a customer project or a customer car. It's just something I'm working on for fun, so I don't have to kill myself in 90 degrees with all that humidity. So took the time as in a couple days, and we are back on the old girl. So I did the door handle the other day, and like I said, we are still waiting to get some wood in there to fix this, but I'm gonna be doing the body blocks on the Model A today. My intro, and look at what the heck Travis is doing. Taking a mess. It's a roaster pickup pool.
I want to make a pool one day.
So anyway, roaster pickups actually, well, it's not out of commission, but
It's fine.
it's fine, but it's moderately out of commission.
First gear's blown up.
Yeah, but this is not about the roaster pickup. So I'm gonna be getting the body blocks out of here. They were sent to me by a wonderful Jeff. So big, huge shout out to Jeff. He sent me these, and we're just gonna go through the box, get them on the car. I was gonna say then it's ready to chop, but like I showed, we have to still fix this inner part of the door, and then these pieces still need to get replaced. So now that the weather's a little bit cooler, we are back at it. So like you saw, I had to I had to drill a little hole in here because I'm a bad car mom, and this is just filled with water. It was supposed to be underneath the tarp, but you know, so that's draining. I don't really know about this over here. Maybe I'll just sop it up and do better next time. So now we'll just get to going. Oh, Jiminy Crickets, I'm dropping them already. All right, so body blocks are acquired as I am about to drop them yet again. I actually already have the fronts in, so that is good. So we'll just need to do the other ones, and what the heck? 1 hour in the garage, and this is what we're gonna accomplish, people. Get outside, even for an hour. If you have a project, just get your booty out there. Because an hour, it's like at least you're going like, something's getting done, you know? So I put all these in the right spot, 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you notice, these aren't lining up very well. So we just took the hood off, and we're gonna try to move the body a little bit because we think it might be like a little bit crooked. That is the grave mystery of the moment. I'm not sure what you can see underneath here. Nothing back there. So let's check it out. It's like a game of Operation. Got it.
Yep.
It's like trying to find the spot in there. I'm like digging around. Why can't I find the bottom on this one? Oh my god, why am I struggling? so sunny I can't see anything. I need a hammer or something. And glasses.
Oh, it goes the other way, but that way works too.
Right there. So the old blocks are out. So like I've been kind of saying nothing. Look at the butterfly. Oh my god. That's not a butterfly. I thought that was a freaking butterfly. It's the fan. Anyway, in this little reflection, it looks like a butterfly. So the body hasn't been lining up. It's always kind of been off. As you guys have seen, like this has been a problem. The door shutting has been a problem. So Trav just checked it out because as you can see over here, it all lines up perfectly to put the new blocks in. But over here, obviously, we are not having that case. So I'm gonna have Trav just say what he thinks. I'm gonna have my car guy or tell you guys what he kind of thinks might have happened and why it's tweaked, why the body is tweaked. So let's see what the car guy says.
All right, so you can even tell from here. See how this lip is even with the edge of this hole? And then we go over there, it's over the hole. So this whole side of the car, driver's side, is more forward than this. And it's not the whole thing tweaked because this hole lines up and this hole lines up. Can't really tell back there because we cut it out. But, let me see. That one lines up in the front too. So these three are lined up. That means it can't be crooked. Just this side is pushed back. Or, no, it's pushed forward. So, we need to push it back. We're gonna put this block in, tighten down pretty much this whole side. It's only really from here forward because everything else got cut out. Then I could probably take a bar or something, tweak that side of the car back, then put the bolts in, tighten it down. Hopefully it will help the door situation.
That would be nice.
Not sure, but it might. I don't know how we're gonna do it, but we're gonna figure something out. If we gotta put a strap from the rear cross member to the front of the cowl and pull it back, we'll figure that out. But let's get these
Those ones in, yeah.
3 in first, and then we can go from there.
Go.
What's going on here? Need help? I got the bar.
Yes, I do. Oh, okay. Good.
Yeah, right there.
That is
Through? Can you get the nut on it?
yeah. Push it down. Pry it.
Pry it?
Pry it. No.
No?
No. You want to put the thing through?
Oh, it's just too big.
What?
Whack my arm.
Push it down. Ah, Travis!
How'd that hurt?
Freaking ringed on.
Get your wrench on. Close your eyes when I do it.
Hold on. Go. Go. The ratchet strap is in. We're gonna try to see if this will pull it and like help to line it up a bit. I need like a glove on.
There you go.
Ow! Ow! Oh my god!
You see the hole through there?
Yeah. Can you get me gloves?
Hold on. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, so hard.
I'm trying to help you a little bit.
Alright, Travis is coming in on the pry bar while I ratchet strap it. Oh my god. It's like I can't even go in there to try to pull it more.
Can you get a couple more clicks?
What?
A couple more clicks?
Oh! Trying.
Hey, stop. Couple more.
So I feel like it's looked like this the whole time. Oh my god. We put something in there, you know, and like pry it from the inside.
A little tight.
So tight.
Watch out. You don't want to break it. And it's
No,
snap.
it's just funny. Alright, where is... This is for the front. Or was this from the back?
That's the back. Is that big washer?
You have to move that a bit.
Well, I don't know if this is gonna work, but can I help at all?
No.
Come on.
Is that like a standstill? Just tap it. Only one.
Hey.
Well, we still try to figure out what's going on with the body. I'm gonna put the trunk on, or the trunk lid on. It doesn't match up perfectly, and it is missing a pin on this side. So I have this that I'm gonna be installing, putting in quick and easy. That will be able to put the trunk lid on and call it a day.
There you go. See? Hold on. Now you gotta get it through the hole in the deck lid. Okay. Now screw it in. It doesn't need to be tight either, as long as it's finger tight all the way. Is it going?
Yeah, it's turning.
Can you pull it out? No, it's not gonna.
Good.
All
All right, guys. So the blocks are in, the trunk lid is in, The door is still not perfect. We need to get that wood. We need to get some shims up in here. And once all that happens, then we will be on the road to chopping this thing. So I'm pretty stoked on that. And with that 1 hour, that is what we got accomplished. Definitely a 2-person job, because trying to like maneuver and move things and get it in these holes that actually don't fit. So obviously big shout out to Travis. And that is just another step, guys, another step in the process to getting this bad boy on the road, dude. Like, we're doing it. This project is coming to life. Look at that flathead in there. Not the one we're going to be using, like I had mentioned before. I have a new one in Providence that I need to just, you know, get the money for and buy it. But once that's in too, we're really going to be cruising, besides, you know, the million other things that I need to buy in order to make this little car work. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the support as always, and I will catch you guys in the next one.